Netizens, kamusta kayo guys? Today I'll be sharing my first ever international trip. It's with Roman, Leia, and Colleen. We went to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam last May 28 to June 3. And yeah, it was an amazing place. Napakamura and napakabait na mga tao doon. And yeah, let's start. I arrived at the airport at 3 p.m. And then I go directly to the travel tax kiosk. I paid for my tax and then I prepared for my e-travel. Then pumunta ng baggage counter. Then sa immigration na. When we arrived at the immigration, napakaraming tao. So pumila kami while on queue. Was thinking kung anong question ang makukuha ko from the immigration officer. But I prepared my documents with me. So, yun, kinaya naman. But, syempre may kaba. So, the first question was, of course, I hand over my passport. Question niya is this your first international travel? So, sinabi ko, yes po, this is my first. And more to go. Yep. And then, he asked me, are you working? Sabi ko, hindi po ako nagwo-work. I manage a business. Sabi niya, ano yung proof of income mo? I gave him my BIR, DTI, business permit, DOLE, also bank certificate and statement. So, yun, chinek niya. Sabi niya sa akin, ano yung nature ng business? Is this business from your parents? And then, pinamana lang sa'yo. And then, tanong niya pa is, saan nag-originate ang name ng business, ganyan. So, I just answered everything. And then, yun, next is sabi niya, saan kayo magsistay? Sino kasama mo? I printed itinerary ng gala namin kung saan kami pupunta. Doon listed kung sino mga kasama ko. Printed the copy din ng accommodation, booked activities via Klook. And then yun, after niya na-check lahat, sinabi niya tingin lang sa salamin. And then, yun na, tinataka niya na yung passport ko. So, I go directly to Roman and Leia. Actually, nauna sila sa akin. Mabilis lang sila kasi frequent naman sila nagka-travel eh. So, sumakses tayo. Yeah, we waited around mga ano ata 1 hour because we had a delayed flight that time. We arrived in Ho Chi Minh na umuulan. But everything went well. Ang ganda ng accommodation namin. I'll be sharing that in my next vlog. Ang ganda ng room at ang mura. And also, I'll be sharing my activities na-enjoy ko. Mga food na na-enjoy ko. Coffee reco. And yeah, see you sa next vlog. Bye-bye!